Well, because things are difficult during the pandemic, it's important to remember to protect our mental health, which is why the Michigan chapter of the American Foundation of Suicide Prevention is hosting the Out of the Darkness Michigan Experience event.
And joining us to tell us more is volunteer Michigan chapter of the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention, Rebecca Plune. Rebecca, good morning. Good to see you.
Good morning.
So first of all, just tell us a little bit about this event and what people can expect.
So the Out of the Darkness Walk this year is a virtual event. So we're all going to be across the state, kind of joining up live on social media through the AFSP Michigan website. So it's still kind of the same feel in that we're all getting together, just separate, unfortunately.
Rebecca, can you talk about what you do at the foundation as far as helping folks who are going through a rough time, especially during this pandemic?
The whole idea behind the walk and, helping people is bringing everybody together and kind of promoting the awareness, just to mental health and as well as suicide prevention. It's very important right now, especially with people knowing that, we're not alone, that we're all in this together. So, still having the walk this year was very important in maintaining that.
And what are some things that you can do if you see a friend or a family member that's maybe struggling? How can they reach out for help, or how can you maybe help them?
Reaching out to somebody, just letting them know that you care and that you're there for them. The one thing is to specifically ask about suicide. I know that's something that a lot of people kind of avoid asking, but it's really important to be honest and direct. It's asking the question. It's probably uncomfortable, but it's better to ask that and have that out there. And if they are feeling that way, connect them with resources. You can help them get in contact with a therapist. You can take them to the emergency room for an evaluation. We do have hotlines available. There's a 1-800-273-TALK, or there's even, you can text TALK to 741-741. But the most important thing is not leaving them alone and letting them know that you're there for them.
And if folks want to help out for the walk, how can they get involved?
If they wanted to help out, they can actually go onto the AFSP Michigan website and sign up to do volunteer work. This year there's not a whole lot of volunteer work now that we're this close to the walk, but for next year there will be. This year they can sign up even through today to go ahead and participate in that. It's a walk where you're at, whether that's a treadmill or it's a park with friends, whatever that is for them.
Very good.
Absolutely. Rebecca, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
You're welcome.